The water is white. I can cross over, and neither have I wings to fly. Build me a boat that can carry two, and both shall row. chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping